If Grammarly in Microsoft Word is giving you a script error, don't worry. This is usually caused by an outdated app version, corrupted files, or a network or firewall setting blocking Grammarly from connecting properly. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step, so you can get back to writing without the frustration. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. First, let's start with the easiest fix. Restart the application. Completely close Microsoft Word and also fully exit the Grammarly desktop app. Don't just minimize them. Make sure both programs are actually shut down. After that, restart your computer. This clears temporary glitches and reloads the app environment from scratch. Once your computer turns back on, open Microsoft Word again and check if the script error is gone. If the issue is still there, the next step is to check for updates. Outdated software is one of the most common reasons Grammarly stops working correctly inside Word. Open Microsoft Office and make sure it's updated to the latest version available. Then open the Grammarly desktop app and check for updates there as well. Keeping both programs current helps fix compatibility problems and improves how Grammarly connects with Word. If you're still seeing the script error after updating, the next best step is to reinstall Grammarly. Uninstall the Grammarly app completely from your computer first. Then go to the official Grammarly desktop download page at grammarly.com/desktop and download a fresh copy. Install the latest version, sign back in, and then reopen Microsoft Word to test it again. A clean reinstall often fixes broken files or corrupted settings that can trigger script errors. Now, if the problem still hasn't been solved, there may be a network, firewall, or security setting preventing Grammarly from reaching its backend servers. In that case, check whether your antivirus, firewall, or company network is blocking Grammarly. If you're on a restricted network, try switching to a different connection and test Word again. These connection issues can sometimes stop Grammarly from loading properly, even when the app itself is installed correctly. By following these steps in order, restart, update, and reinstall, you can usually fix a Grammarly script error in Microsoft Word without needing advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.